Hi. If you have a worn-out steering damper that needs replacing, or if you're using larger than standard tires or low tire pressures, this is an option. The Terraformer Return to Center steering damper has an external coil spring that also is adjustable to fit the setup on your car, and the self-centering function is greatly improved. What the damper does is to improve handling, and if adjusted correctly, the steering returns quickly to straight after a turn. So let's see how to replace it on the car.
I had to struggle with this side, the nut over there. This one was really hard to get loose. The other side, that one was not so tricky. So let's take it off from the car. Like that. And now I think I have the new part in my storage. Yeah, there it is. User manual. I don't need that one. Hey, wait, I need this one. So the first step is to put this washer like that, and then the bush will go all the way on the spring like this. Put it all together. Like so. And then the washers, one on this end and the other side like that, and the rubber bushing, and then into the car, and rubber bushing, washer, and a nut at the end. So let's fit it in the car. I had fitted this side first, and then now it's time for the other end. And make sure the collar is placed so you can loosen or readjust this one. The bolts facing forward is a good thing to do, or downwards like this. So there it is, fitted on the car. I had to actually adjust the collar about 1 centimeter tighter on my car, but that's individual on every car, so you have to try it before you adjust. Looks nice.